Okay. Now, first of all, my question: where from?
You just study English?
No. Where from?
Indonesia, you?
Indonesia. Tell me
Yeah.
again. Tell me again. Indonesia.
Yeah.
Oh, I know Indonesia. So you are looking so beautiful.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah, of course. So are you married?
No.
Yes, we are single. My same.
I'm not single.
But why? You have a boyfriend, right?
Mm.
So what do you do right now?
Just rest. I won't sleep. You?
I'm making a video on YouTube channel. Do you have any YouTube account? What channel?
Yeah.
Say something. Tell me. Say something. You tell me. Say something.
Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh. Do you know Bangladesh?
Huh? Bangladesh.
You don't know?
Bangladesh.
Yes, of course. You don't know?
Um, I know, near India, right?
Yes. India, Pakistan,
Uh,
Bangladesh, very close. You know,
okay.
Nepal.
Then?
Do you have any sibling? Do you have a sibling?
Yeah, we have five, like two brother, two sister.
Oh,
You?
but I have a no sibling. I'm very sad. I'm only one.
Ah, it's okay. I hope I just me, my doctor, my parents' doctor, but I have sibling. You must be grateful for everything. It's your destiny. It's the best destiny for you.
Yeah. Can you please follow me? I'll follow back you. I'm following you.
You follow me already?
Yes, of course. I'm following you already. Follow back me.
Okay.
Okay, if you don't mind, I have a simple question for you. Can you say?
Okay.
Ca-
Ask me.
Okay, no problem. Can you say Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
So, are you Muslim or Christian? What is your religion?
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, Muslim.
Oh, okay. But I am Muslim. You don't know.
That's good. What the matter? Are you Muslim or no? In here.
Yes, of course. So, what does your father do? If you don't mind, please tell me.
My dad is retirement.